Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing a unboxing video. So all these lights in my shop are non-LED. I kind of curious. It also gets pretty dark at night. So I am actually going to do my first ever unboxing video and show you guys how easy it is to install. Uh, from what it looks like, I haven't done one yet, so I guess we'll find out if it actually really is easy, but they said it's pretty simple and off to an easy start. So I'll start off by showing you guys what I bought and go from there. Alright, so these are the 8-foot replacement bulbs that are going to replace these. Right now it's still daylight outside and it's okay, but actually, oh why? Even in here you can tell it's a little bit dark, not as bright as I would want to. And I got told, at least by the person I bought them from through Amazon, that they should lower my power usage. I don't really use a lot of power to begin with because, as you can see, nothing is here yet. So I've used the lift a few times, already made a small mess, so one step at a time and I'll go from there. Alright, so I don't have enough hands available, so this way I was able to just open it first, and they're actually very flimsy. They're not that strong to begin with. You have the single pin, you have the back side, you have the front side, and I'm going to start off by putting it in the 3D printing room, and I'll go ahead and put in the office space as well, see how much brighter it gets, and from there I'll start going through and replacing one after another up there and everything else that I do need. Well, let's get to it. Alright, so fairly simple in the first part. You go through, take off the ballast, cut all the wires, and then essentially it's pretty simple. Connect everything that needs to be connected back up, and they give you fairly simple instructions. So you actually just wire nut everything together, make sure everything is running solid, cut everything snip, and go from there. Alright. Okay, so first one is in and done, and actually it is so much brighter just from the one to being changed over. And honestly, I left it out. I'm going to put the covers on just a second, but it's actually amazing how bright that is. So I put all the wires on this side, put them together with the white, and then I needed a little bit more of an extension on this side and routed them all together. But so far works perfect and no issues. All right, let's get started on the rest. All right, so I got this side done, and I got one of the lamps on this side done, but I got the wiring in. So I actually I tried to do my best to take out whatever excess wires I had. I ended up actually getting rid of like 5 or 6 wires, wiring it all in. I realized that the person who wired this in used either excess wires or they're all wired up differently and there is no consistency in it, but they all work, there's no issues, and it's coming together perfectly. But this is, I think, just with 2. I wanted to put one more back there above the 3D printer, but pretty sure these 2 will just do fine, and I do not need the 3rd one. I'm planning on having there's my sandblasting cabinet in the box, and from there I'll have it up there and an airline so I can go through and clean 3D prints and, you know, just make things a little bit nicer. And then I will have room for another 3D printer right there roughly, and from there I should be able to, I just realized one of the lights is not working. I probably did something wrong, so I'll probably check that out. But yeah, and then once everything's going, I just picked up the door for this room and I'll all be enclosed and good to go. So they're all in. This one, so the reason why one of them wasn't working on this side was these actually have a little bit of droop and they kind of just sag down. And I mean, as long as you have a connection, it's fine. That one just was a little bit too loose, just slid it back in and it was fine and working great. So I don't know if eventually if it becomes an issue, But for now, they're okay. I don't know if there's a little support that they make on the backside. I might just 3D print something that holds it up top and then hangs it above. So we'll see. But overall, the room is so much brighter. It's still dark back there, so I might just install it just to get it done. And it's not too hard. I had bought a 6-footer from Costco, so it should be easy enough. But other than that, these are perfect. Lights up everything. Should be more than enough light in here. Hey guys, thanks for watching. So I will be uploading this video hopefully soon. And then I'll go through and do every single time I do something new in the shop. Probably also include a video of once all the walls are done, just one more final shop run through. I have a security gate coming in that I'm going to do an install video on, and from there I'll start doing more and more CAD work and adding it onto the series as well. And now that I have a second phone, I have something for hyperlapses. I'm going to use my old phone for that one, and that way it's just easier, and this way I can include actual 3D printing in my videos now and show you guys how it works, how it all comes together, and then give you a little bit more video as well.